Hello students, those who are seeking admission for MBA and MCom can come to our college, that is Sri Devaraj R Institute of Management, which is located in Domballapur, Bangalore rural district. Now counseling is going on in the college. Our college PGCET code is B074MB. You can visit, we help you. In the college, we provide so many facilities. We conduct periodically orientation programs which help the students to be placed in companies. We have a department called Training and Placement in which students are trained both soft skills and technical skills which are essential for the students to get placed in different companies. In the college, we conduct guest lecture, workshops, and also periodically we conduct value-added programs which make your resume stronger and stronger. All these facilities are provided at Sri Devaraj Institute of Management. Once again, I am telling you that our PGCET code is B074MB. Now counseling is going on. You can visit the college. We help you to build your future. Thank you.